Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open jxp.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on the login button in the top right corner. You can sign in to JXP AI with your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. But for this YouTube video, I'll go with the Google account. So click on it and complete the sign up process. After successful signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here you can create free AI videos, AI images, and AI lip sync. But I'll go with AI video. You'll also get access to various models like JXP, Seedance, VEO, Sora, Van, and many more. But for this video, I'll go with VEO and select the VEO 3 model. A new workspace will open where you can get text to video and image to video content. Below, you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into JXP AI. Underneath, the video model is already selected. You can select the video duration, video quality, and aspect ratio as well. And finally, hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up on JXP AI with your personal Google account or with your personal email address. It's completely up to you. But this free tool, JXP AI, only gives you 2 free generations as a sign up bonus. If you want to create a longer video content, simply sign in again with a different Google account or email address once your generation limits is reached with your first account. This way, you can create as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with JXP AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.